In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a year-to-date calculation in Tableau. This skill is essential for anyone who's looking to effectively analyze data over a calendar year, giving you the ability to compare trends and summaries dynamically. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. This is your starting point, and it's readily accessible if you've already downloaded and installed the application. Once the app is open, navigate to your desired worksheet. This should be a space where you have your data prepared and are ready to make modifications or analyze further. Next up, you'll want to focus on the data pane. Right-click within it and select Create Calculated Field. This calculated field is what will allow you to set up your year-to-date calculation. By creating this, you can manipulate the data to show cumulative values over the course of the year, helping you see trends as they build over time. After creating the calculated field, you're going to want to drag it to the filter area and select True. This step ensures that the calculation is applied only to the relevant data, filtering out any unnecessary values, and thus cleaning up your data set for more precise analysis. Now take the order date, which you can find in your data set, and drag it to the row section. This action aligns your data by date, which is crucial for a time-based analysis like a year-to-date calculation. It sets a timeline for your data, allowing you to visualize changes month over month or even day by day if necessary. After you have the dates in place, right-click on the Order Date option within the rows you've just set up. Carefully select Exact Date from the drop-down menu. This choice assures that you're capturing the data at the right level of detail, capturing each individual date instead of grouping by weeks or months, unless that's part of your analysis design. Once you have the exact dates, you need to set the field to Discrete. Selecting Discrete displays your data as individual data points, which is invaluable when assessing year-to-date calculations because it presents the data without aggregation, helping you focus on specific time increments in a straightforward manner. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a year-to-date calculation in Tableau. By following these steps, you will have developed a timeline of your data which can be used to draw insights and decisions from cumulative trends over the year. As you continue to work with Tableau, remember that exploring these functionalities can significantly enhance how you visualize and utilize your data for better business decisions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice this skill to become more proficient with Tableau over time.